Hello everybody, my name is Emma. I'm participant MMM Global from Indonesia. On 20 October I pay her $1,000 and on 23 October I pay her $3,000 and on 2 November I pay her $2,000 and on 28 November I pay her $1,000 and on 14 December I pay her again $1,000. Total pay her $8,000. And now on 1 March 2016 I give her the profit. I give her $1,650 and MMM really pays. Thank you so much MMM Global. Thank you so much Mr. Mafrodi for the amazing program, and thank you so much all participants around the world. MMM really changed the world. I'm very happy. Thank you so much. MMM really changed the world. Thank you.